Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. We got another one of the calls that turns out to be, a hack job that did the work. If you notice right here, right off the bat, if you know anything about, these heating and cooling systems, you know that these coils have to be kept cool and have to have some clearance to breathe in right here, right? Well, you obviously don't have them in this application. All right, see, only 3 sides are getting airflow and the 4th side is not getting very much, right? Not to mention as well, this is not a high static unit, and it should be, because this is a manufactured or mobile home, and it should have a system that can handle high static, because of, if we go inside, which we're not going to go to, but if we go inside, we're gonna find that the vents where all of the air comes out of are all very slim ductwork. Okay, they're not bigger cans like we're accustomed to with bigger openings. They're always really slim with very thin duct, or very thin duct. So you have to have a high static unit. So that's gonna stop you from getting, going to stop the homeowners for the last, 10-15 years from getting the right amount of airflow. So they're probably paying more in utility bills because it's not, you're spending too much, power and reduced capacity because one of your coils is not cooling off correctly. It's not condensing. The ductwork, the return is only 14, and this is a 4-ton unit. So ideally, should be at a very minimum 16 if it was a short run, but this is not a short run. This is a very long run. Should be 18 or 20. So just, the list goes on, and the reason I was actually out here was because the blower wheel fell off the shaft and, fell apart. But that's the type of stuff you discover when, you show up to any calls, right? The drain, right? Drain's not done right. It's not a big deal. It's just right there, but it's not a big deal. But anyways, just wanted to share that with y'all. Like always, like, comment, subscribe, and we will see you on the next one. Peace. As I'm putting the door on, I also noticed that the crankcase heater's been cut off. Nice. It's never ending sometimes.